Oke, kita mulai ya. Jadi malam ini kita akan mempelajari mengenai past continuous tense. Bentar ya, aku share. Ya, udah terima ya?
Ya.
Oke. Oke, malam nih Kak Monica ya. Malam ini kita akan pelajari tentang past continuous tense. Kita mulai dari definisinya. Ya. Definisinya adalah if the present continuous tense discusses events that are taking place in the present, then the past continuous tense is a tense for expressing an event or event that is happening in the past during a certain time. Jadi kalau misalnya ya, kalau misalnya present continuous tense itu ya, membahas tentang kejadian yang sedang berlangsung di masa sekarang. Maka past continuous tense adalah tenses yang menyatakan suatu peristiwa atau kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa lalu ya atau past selama waktu tertentu. Ya. Jadi you have to remember that the main thing is that the present is related to the present if the past is related to the past. Jadi yang perlu diingat ya, kalau present itu artinya berkaitan dengan masa sekarang, tapi kalau kalau past itu ada kaitannya dengan masa lalu. This form of tense shows that an action can occur before or began before, during, was in progress during, and may continue continued after another action in the past. Ya, jadi bentuk tenses ini menunjukkan bahwa suatu aksi itu dapat terjadi ya sebelum atau kita sebut dengan began before, selama, was in progress during, dan mungkin berlanjut ya setelah atau continued after ada aksi lainnya di masa lampau. So the past continuous tense is a form of sentence that is interrupted by another event and can also be combined with another event at the same time. Yeah, don't be worried. Now let's take a look at the formula and example below. Ya, jadi past continuous tense ini adalah sebuah bentuk kalimat ya yang disela oleh kejadian lain ya dan juga dapat digabungkan dengan kejadian lainnya pada waktu yang bersamaan. Ya, jadi nggak perlu pusing dulu, kita coba lihat rumus dan contohnya ya. Jadi ini adalah formulanya atau rumus yang digunakan dalam past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is formed with the auxiliary verb be in the verb of was or were because the time of occurrence is in the past or lampau. Jadi past continuous tense ini dibentuk dengan menggunakan kata bantu to be. Ya, bentuknya adalah was atau were. Ya, karena waktu kejadiannya di masa lampau. The past continuous tense is a progressive tense, so the correct verb is the present participle. The present participle is also called the ing verb. Ya, jadi di sini ya past continuous ini termasuk progressive tense ya. Jadi menggunakan kata kerja yang tepat yaitu present participle. Kita disebut ya istilahnya dengan seperti itu dan present participle ini juga disebut dengan kata kerja bentuk ing ya. Jadi present participle is also known as gerund. It is a form of verb in English. To construct a present participle, we can use the basic form of the verb and then add the suffix ing. This form is used to indicate ongoing activity. Ya, jadi present participle ini juga memiliki nama lain yaitu sebagai gerund. Dan ini adalah sebuah bentuk ya kata kerja dalam bahasa Inggris Nah, untuk membentuk present participle ini, kita bisa menggunakan kata dasar, ya verb one itu, dengan ditambahkan imbuhan ing. Jadi bentuk ini mengindikasikan digunakan ya, untuk mengindikasikan bahwa aktivitasnya itu sedang berlangsung. Be, ya, was is used for singular subject in the form of singular nouns, such as Donny, pen, and dog, as well as singular pronouns such as I, she, he, and it, except you. Jadi to be, was ini digunakan untuk subjek tunggal, ya, dalam bentuk kata benda tunggal, yaitu seperti doni, pulpen, dan anjing. Ya, demikian juga dengan kata ganti tunggal ya, seperti I, she, he, dan it, kecuali kamu, you ya. On the other hand, be, were is used for plural subject in the form of plural nouns, such as dogs, people, pants, and plural pronouns, such as you, they, and we. Ya, dengan kata lain, to be, were ini digunakan untuk subjek jamak ya, dalam bentuk kata benda jamak seperti dogs, people, pants, dan kata ganti jamak seperti you, they, and we. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke example, contoh dalam past continuous tense, contoh kalimatnya. He was traveling to Venice. Dia dulu sedang berlibur ke Venice. She was eating a burger. Ya, dia dulu sedang makan burger, sebuah burger. He wasn't sleeping. Dia dulu tidak sedang tidur. The people weren't waiting. Ya, orang-orang itu atau mereka dulu tidak sedang menunggu. Was he buying a book? Apakah dia dulu sedang membeli buku? Were the people playing tennis? Apakah orang-orang itu ya dulu sedang bermain tenis? Kemudian ini adalah adverb of time dalam past continuous tense. Jadi adverb of time yang digunakan adalah when dan while. Ya, apa sih perbedaan antara when and while? Jadi when ini used to indicate specific time activities. Ya. Sementara while itu digunakan is used to indicate time activities that are carried out simultaneously at one time. Jadi kalau while ini ya digunakan untuk mengindikasikan waktu kejadian yang dikerjakan dua kejadian atau dua itu dikerjakan dalam satu waktu ya. Sementara when ini untuk mengindikasikan waktu kejadian yang spesifik. Kemudian kapan ya kita bisa menggunakan past continuous tense? Kapan past continuous tense ini bisa digunakan? Ya, fungsinya itu seperti apa? Jadi yang pertama adalah to express an action that took place in the past, as in the example as we discussed previously. Jadi di sini bisa ya untuk menyatakan kejadian yang berlangsung di masa yang lampau. For the function of this sentence, you can use it if you want to tell something that is not accompanied by another incident. So don't use while or when to make the time information clearer. Jadi di sini ya untuk kalimat ini kamu nggak perlu ya menggunakan nggak ingin menggunakan jika ingin menceritakan sesuatu yang tidak dibarengi dengan kejadian lainnya. Jadi makanya di sini kita tidak menggunakan while atau when. Dan untuk membentuk informasi keterangan yang lebih jelas, ya. Nah, contohnya di sini adalah 2 years ago I was working at a bar in New York City. Ya. 2 tahun yang lalu aku sedang bekerja di sebuah bar di New York City. They were making a toast at this time last night. Mereka sedang membuat roti panggang di saat ini, kemarin malam. Itu contohnya ya. Kemudian kita masuk ke fungsi yang kedua. Two events that happen simultaneously in the past. Jadi untuk menunjukkan dua kejadian yang terjadi secara bersamaan di waktu lampau. The past continuous tense is used to describe events that occurred or took place simultaneously in the past. Therefore, here we need the time information while or when. Jadi kalau di sini ya, past continuous tense ini digunakan untuk menjelaskan kejadian yang telah berlangsung secara bersamaan di waktu lampau. Jadi maka dari itu di sini kita perlu ya menggunakan keterangan waktu while dan when. Contohnya adalah I was eating while my brother was studying. Ya, saya sedang makan ketika adik saya sedang belajar. Diane was watching TV while Andy was taking a nap. Diane sedang menonton TV, sementara Andy sedang tidur siang. Selanjutnya yang ketiga, before and after another action or event happen. Ya, jadi di sini bisa ya past continuous tense ini digunakan sebelum dan sesudah tindakan atau peristiwa lain. Ya, coba kita pahami dulu contoh berikut ini. Ya, we were busy working on our assignment when our parents came home. Ya, jadi di sini artinya kan adalah kami sedang mengerjakan tugas sebelum orang tua pulang atau masih mengerjakan tugas ketika orang tua pulang dan mungkin masih mengerjakan tugas ketika atau setelah orang tua pulang. Ya, jadi kejadian tersebut ya terjadi pada suatu waktu di masa lampau dan tidak terjadi saat ini. Yang berikutnya, contoh berikutnya adalah I was watching the lovely sunset as a flock of birds soared by. Ya, jadi di sini artinya adalah saya sedang menyaksikan matahari terbenam yang indah saat sekawanan burung terbang melintas. Selanjutnya yang keempat, ya, interrupted by another action or event. Ya, di sini suatu aktivitas ya terganggu oleh tindakan atau peristiwa lain. Ya, you can use the past continuous tense if you are currently telling about an event that took place in the past which is suddenly interrupted by another action. Examples are as follows. Ya, jadi di sini ya kita bisa menggunakan past continuous tense jika kita mau bercerita tentang kejadian yang berlangsung di masa lalu. Ya, tiba-tiba terganggu oleh tindakan lain. Contohnya adalah Mark was having the most wonderful time on the beach when the weather suddenly turned awful. Di Mark ini sedang bersenang-senang ya di pantai ketika cuaca tiba-tiba berubah menjadi buruk. Ya, yang kedua adalah as they were leaving, the phone rang. Ya, ketika mereka pergi, telepon berdering. Selanjutnya yang kelima, for a length of time, whether specific or undefined. Jadi bisa digunakan ya past continuous tense ini bisa digunakan untuk jangka waktu yang lama, apakah spesifik atau tidak ditentukan. You can also use the past continuous tense to tell about an action that took place in the past or at a specific time or even at a time that is not specified at all, aka unclear time. Ya, jadi di sini kita juga bisa ya menjadikan past continuous tense ini untuk menceritakan suatu aksi yang berlangsung di masa lalu, ya waktunya spesifik atau bahkan dalam waktu yang tidak ditentukan sama sekali atau dengan kata lain tidak jelas. Contohnya adalah my head was throbbing. Ya, kepalaku dulu berdenyut-denyut. You were eating that sandwich for an hour. Kamu dulu memakan sandwich itu selama 1 jam. Yang keenam, repeatedly and frequently. Ya. untuk membahas sesuatu yang berulang-ulang. The past continuous tense is also used to discuss something that happened repeatedly. Even though the interval of occurrence is random, this sentence actually shows a natural habit. Jadi past continuous tense ini juga bisa ya digunakan untuk mendiskusikan sesuatu hal yang terjadi secara berulang-ulang. Ya, meskipun interval kejadiannya itu acak ya, tapi sebetulnya kalimat ini menunjukkan kebiasaan alami. Contohnya adalah I was repeatedly checking things ya. Aku dulu berulang kali memeriksa sesuatu. My parents were fighting all the time when I decided to leave. Ya, orang tua saya bertengkar ya ketika atau waktu saya memutuskan untuk pergi. Yang ketujuh, ya, a source of irritation. In this use, you can show someone's bad things in the past through the past continuous. In this case, the adverb of time used is the adverb of time from the simple present tense to show repeatedly frequency such as always and constantly. Ya. Jadi di sini menunjukkan keburukan seseorang, ya. Jadi past continuous tense ini bisa digunakan untuk menunjukkan ya, keburukan seseorang. Jadi pada penggunaan yang satu ini, ya kita bisa ya menunjukkan keburukan seseorang di masa lalu menggunakan past continuous tense. Contohnya adalah my ex-husband was always leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Ya. Mantan suamiku ya selalu meninggalkan piring kotor di wastafel. The old boss was constantly berating employees over silly issues. Ya. Bos lama terus-menerus mencaci maki karyawan karena masalah konyol. Yang ke-8, to show development, growth, or other changes over time. Ya, untuk menunjukkan perkembangan, ya pertumbuhan atau perubahan lain dari waktu ke waktu. These tense can also be used together with verbs that show change or growth, such as grow up, improve, go, and change. Jadi di sini kita tenses ini juga bisa ya digunakan bersamaan dengan kata kerja yang untuk menunjukkan perubahan atau perkembangan. Contohnya adalah grow up, improve, go, dan change. Contohnya, contoh kalimatnya, for example, my life was changing rapidly. Hidupku berubah dengan sangat cepat. I thought her condition was improving, but I guess not. Ya, aku pikir kondisinya akan berubah atau berubah membaik, tapi aku rasa tidak. Selanjutnya yang ke-9, narrating a story or describing an atmosphere. Ya, di sini untuk menceritakan sebuah kisah atau menggambarkan suasana. This function is definitely quite easy for you to understand. You can tell about situation that happened in the past using the past continuous tense. Jadi kalau fungsi yang satu ini cukup mudah ya untuk dimengerti. Jadi kita di sini bisa ya menggunakan past continuous tense ya untuk mengenai ya untuk menceritakan suatu suasana yang terjadi di masa lampau ya kita menggunakan past continuous tense. Contohnya, for example, as they walk into the sunshine, the birds were singing and the breeze was softly blowing. Saat mereka berjalan di bawah sinar matahari, burung-burung sedang bernyanyi dan angin sepoi-sepoi sedang bertiup. I was working in a New York City bar when all of this took place. Aku dulu sedang bekerja di kota New York, ya, di kota New York bar saat semua ini sedang terjadi. Yang terakhir, shows an action with two duration at the same time. Ya, untuk menunjukkan aksi dalam dua durasi berbeda di waktu bersamaan. To that, there was an action of short duration, simple past tense, ya, that occurred while an action of long duration, past continuous tense, was taking place. So, while and when can be used with the formula simple past tense plus while plus past continuous tense and past continuous tense plus when plus simple past tense. Ya. Jadi di sini past continuous tense juga bisa ya digunakan untuk pada saat menyatakan bahwa ada aksi berdurasi pendek. Ya, itu kita sebut dengan simple past tense yang terjadi suatu ketika pada suatu aksi berdurasi panjang, yaitu past continuous tense, sedang berlangsung. Jadi ada dua kejadian ya. Nah, di sini kita bisa menggunakan while dan when. Contoh kalimatnya, for example, the door was knocked while I was reading a book. Ya. Pintu diketuk ketika saya sedang atau ketika saya dulu sedang membaca sebuah buku. Rio was sleeping when you called her. Rio tadinya atau dulunya sedang tidur ya saat kamu menelponnya. Nah, ini adalah time expression yang digunakan dalam kalimat past continuous tense ya. Adalah at this time, yesterday, at 5 a.m. this morning, all day yesterday, in July, 2 years ago, last night, and so on. Sampai sini kira-kira ada pertanyaan dari Kak Malika?
Belum ada, Miss.
Oke, kalau belum ada, kita masuk ke speaking practice. Bentar ya. Ya, ini dia past continuous tense. Oke, udah bisa kelihatan? Can you see the screen now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. You can answer the question using past continuous tense. For question number 1, what were you doing before you came to this class? If not clear, I can send the picture. Wait a second. Yeah, here. Just send it to your WhatsApp. You can check it. If not clear, for question number 1, what were you doing before you came to this class? Yeah, you can use with describing the pictures using the past continuous ya. For question number 1, bisa lihat dari gambar ini, hanya untuk nomor 1 ya.
Kalau I were taking my dog walk, gimana bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss?
Jadi formulanya itu kan pakai apa? Was atau were ditambah verb ing. Kalau walk jadi tambah walking. Nah, subjek yang tepat ya untuk I karena ditanyanya kan di sini you. Jadi jawabannya I kan.
Ya.
Jadi I pakai
I were.
I was.
Lah iya ya? Sorry, Miss.
I was.
Oh iya lupa.
Ya, you were ya.
Aduh,
Kalau
udah
I
lama.
was. Ya.
Ah,
Jadi
ya,
gimana?
sorry.
I
I was walking my dog
mm,
around the park
mm-mm.
before
Time
I
expression. Time expressionnya
came to this class.
jam berapa nih? Jam what
Oh,
time?
at 8 a.m. in
Ya,
the
jadi
morning.
yes. Oke, jadi I was walking
My dog.
my dog ya, at 8 a.m. before came to this class. Gitu ya, in full sentence. Number 2, what were you eating at lunchtime yesterday?
Ini jawabnya
Sama,
random.
past continuous ya. Yang number 2 jawabnya bebas.
Oh, bebas. I was eating fish and chips at
Fish and
lunch
chips ya, at lunchtime
yesterday.
ya, yesterday. Kamu di sini bisa juga menambahkan dengan kata while atau when ya, bebas.
Oh ya. Yeah.
Okay, number 3. What kind of music were you listening at 5 years ago? What kind of music were you listening to 5 years ago?
Apa ya ini? Hmm, I was listening to apa ya? I was listening to pop music
Mm-mm.
5
Mm-mm.
years ago.
When?
Apa ya, Miss? When?
Bisa pakai when atau while.
Oh, when I was berapa ya? When I was 12 years old.
12 years old. Mm-mm. I like listening.
I like listening to pop music.
Yeah. When I was 12, yeah, when I was 12 years, I like listening to pop music. Okay. For question number 4. What were you doing at 9 p.m. last night?
I was doing my homework while listening to music at 9 p.m. last night.
Diulang, I was
doing my homework while listening to music
yeah.
at 9 p.m.
Yeah. Okay. Last night, jangan lupa. Last night. At 9 p.m. last night. Who are you talking to the last time you spoke English?
The last time I spoke English is with my friends, with my girlfriends.
With your girlfriends?
When she came to this country.
Oh, yes. That's good, yeah. When you the last time I was spoke, yeah.
Oh, I
Yang
was
keempat was, yeah. The last time I was spoke English. The last time I was spoke, bukan spoke. The last time I was speaking, kan
Yeah.
pakai ing, ya. The last time I was speaking English is with my girlfriends when she came, ya. Came to Indonesia. Number 6, where were you going the last time you were on a bus?
The last time I was on a bus is when I was going to the museum.
Gimana kalimatnya diulang? Can you repeat the answer? The
The
last
last
time?
I was on a bus is when I'm is when I was going to the museum.
Yeah, going ya, the verbing ya. The last time I was in the bus was I was going to museum. What were you doing last Sunday afternoon?
Number 7 ya?
Oh yeah. How were you feeling the last time you saw a doctor?
The last time I saw a doctor is I was feeling nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was feeling nervous. Okay. I was feeling, yeah. Okay, next. What were you doing last Sunday afternoon?
Oh, apa ya? I was cleaning my front yard
Mhm.
last Sunday afternoon. When
I
last
was
Sunday?
I was cleaning
Yeah.
my front yard. After that,
Last Sunday afternoon.
oh, okay. Last Sunday afternoon. Okay, good. Yeah. Next, wait. Who were you with the last time that you laughed?
The last time I laughed was when okay. The last time I laughed is when I'm with my boyfriend.
Was ya, bukan is. The last time I laughed was
Was
the
the
time.
time
Gimana kalimatnya? The last time I laughed was the time
I'm with my boyfriend.
I was dong. Kan
Oh iya.
udah lampau. Gimana coba? Verb-nya apa?
Laughing.
Loving. Jadi the last time I laughed was when gimana?
Kalau I was laughing-nya duluan gimana, Miss?
Boleh coba.
Okay, I was laughing with my boyfriend. It's the last time that I laughed.
Oh, jadi was-nya itu verb-nya itu setelah was.
Ya.
Kata kerjanya setelah to be itu ya. To be lampaunya was. Jadi the last time I laughed was when gimana?
The last time I laughed was when was when. Nggak tahu, Miss. Bingung.
Bingung.
Iya.
Ya.
Gimana ya?
Jadi ya, the last time apa? The last time
I laughed
I love was when
was
I gimana? When I with my boyfriend.
When I with my boyfriend.
Ngapain? Harus ada, ini ada kata kerjanya.
When I was laughing with my boyfriend.
Ya, kapan nih terakhir kamu? Terakhir kali kamu tertawa. Ya, kapan terakhir kali kamu tertawa? Jadi harus dijelasin. Ya, ya kan di sini cuma hanya terakhir kali kamu tertawa hanya ketika aku dengan pacarku. Tapi harus ada kata kerjanya di sini. Apa?
Okay. When coba tadi pertama apa, Miss?
The last time.
Oh ya. The last time that I laughed is when I was doing homework together with my boyfriend.
Ya, bisa ya begitu. Tapi bukan pakai is, tapi pakai was ya.
Oh, was. Oh ya, tadi was.
Ya, coba diulang lagi. The last
The-
time
I was. The last
the
time
last time I love was
was when I was doing my homework with my boyfriend.
sebentar. The last time I love was when I with my boyfriend doing homework. Bisa kayak
Oh.
gitu ya. Selanjutnya. What were your parents doing for 10 years ago? What were your parents doing for work 10 years ago?
My parents were opening a cafe together. 10 years.
Together with who? Together with who?
Together with their friends.
Oh, collaborating ya.
Yeah.
With their friends. Their friends 10 years ago. Okay, next. What exercise were you doing to stay healthy last month?
I was doing cardio exercise to stay healthy last month.
I was doing cardio exercise to stay healthy last month, yeah. Okay, good. And next, where were you? Where were you the last time that it started raining? Kamu kapan terakhir kali waktu hujan? Saat mulai hujan itu kamu berada di mana?
Oh. The last time that it started raining was when I was studying at school.
When was I studying?
When I was
Oh, okay. When
I
I
was
was
studying
at school. Ya, bisa ya. Jadi the last time that it started raining, when I was studying at school. Ya. Selanjutnya, what were you buying the last time you went shopping?
The last time I went shopping was the apa tadi? The last time
Ya, benar.
Oh, the last time I went shopping is was when I'm buying skincare product.
When I buying
Yeah, when I buying
skincare
product.
Ya, apa nih? Time expression-nya apa?
Oh,
Boleh
ya.
ditambahin? Time expression.
Oh, when I just got my mom. When I just got mine.
Time expression itu apa? Coba lihat deh materinya. Time expression itu kan bisa menggunakan apa? Yesterday, terus apa lagi?
Last week, Miss.
Ya, last week ya. Jadi ini ada penandanya. Selanjutnya, what was your best friend doing on their birthday last year? What was your best friend doing on their birthday last year?
My friend was throwing a party.
Incomplete sentence. My best friend
My best friend was throwing a party.
was apa?
Throwing
Oh, throwing a party.
Yep.
Melempar pesta.
Gak tau
Melempar
Miss,
pesta.
denger kata-kata itu. Emang salah ya?
Salah.
Salah berarti.
Melempar pesta itu gimana ya?
Maksudnya kayak dia
Mengadakan pesta.
ya,
Held. Ya. Held was kan held a party.
holding.
Holding ya, holding.
Oh.
Holding a party. Gimana? My best friend was holding a party on their birthday ya. Jadi
Iya.
my best friend-nya pakai S ya. Kan their kata gantinya. Their birthday
There's birthday last year.
last year. Ya. Ini kamu bisa lihat ya di sini pakai on their kata gantinya ya. Jadi oke. Next. What were you dreaming of becoming when you were a child? What were you dreaming of becoming when you were a child?
I was dreaming to become a police officer when I was a child.
I was dreaming of becoming police officer
when I was a child.
when I was a child. Ya, excellent. Selanjutnya, what sports were you playing 5 years ago?
I was playing basketball when I was 12 years old.
And I was 12 years old. Good, good one. Yeah. Where were you living 2 years ago?
Where were you living? I was living in my hometown 2 years ago.
In my hometown. Di mana hometownnya? Boleh disebutin? Hometown.
I was living in my hometown in Aceh
Aceh.
2 years
Ya.
ago.
Langsung juga bisa pakai koma gitu ya. Koma Aceh 2 years ago. Okay, next. Was it raining last Tuesday at 3 p.m.? Jadi kalau misalnya pertanyaannya was itu kayak pertanyaan do kan. Kalau do you gitu kan. Jadi jawabannya yes I do atau no I don't gitu kan. Tapi kalau was it jadi jawabannya yes it was atau no it wasn't. Gitu. Gimana? Jadi yes or no?
Okay, I think no was the answer.
No, it wasn't.
Was raining
Mm-hmm.
last Thursday
Last Tuesday at
3 p.m.
Yeah, 3 p.m. Okay. Lanjut ya. What were you reading about last week?
I was reading a history book last week.
Boleh kalau mau ditambahkan when atau while.
Oh. when when I get a project from my teacher.
From when I got a project
From my teacher last week.
from my teacher last week. Okay. Selanjutnya, what kind of clothing were you wearing 3 years ago? Jenis baju seperti apa yang kamu pakai 3 tahun yang lalu?
I was wearing shirts, black kind of clothing,
I was wearing
black shirt, black t-shirt,
black shirt and jeansnya apa? Apa bawahannya gitu?
oh bahannya apa ya?
Apa ya?
Blue jeans, Miss.
Ya, blue jeans. Oke. Time expressionnya?
3 years ago.
Yeah, I was wearing black shirt and blue jeans 3 years ago. Selanjutnya, what were you doing the last time that your telephone rang?
I was sleeping when the last time that my phone rang.
I was sleeping when
The last time. Bisa nggak, Miss?
when the last time
That
Apa?
my phone
rang?
rang.
Ya. Oke, lanjut. What were you doing the last time? Udah ya, sebentar. What were you cooking the last time you made a meal?
Kamu sudah buka? I was cooking. I was cooking a noodle.
A bowl of noodle. Yeah.
Fried noodle.
Fried noodle.
The last time I made a meal.
Fried noodle, yeah. The last time I made a meal. Yeah, I was cooking a bowl of fried noodle the last time I made a meal. Who were you with the last time you got angry?
Siapa yang kunci? Ayah. Siapa yang kunci? Tadi kucingnya mau masuk. Coba panggil mama itu. Apa ya jawabannya nih? Were you the last time you got angry? I was. Ini jawabannya I was with.
Yeah,
Ya, Miss.
I was with titik-titik.
Oh, I was with sama siapa ya? I was with my boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
It was the last time I got angry.
The last time I got angry. Okay, I was with my boyfriend. Okay. Where were you going the last time you saw a rainbow?
I was going nowhere.
I was going nowhere.
When the last time I saw a rainbow?
When the last time I saw a rainbow. Okay. The last time ya. Okay. Next. What were you doing to stay warm last winter? Gak ada winter, mungkin kita ganti pakai rainy season. Ya. Karena nggak ada winter. Musim B, bagaimana caranya kamu menjaga dirimu tetap hangat ya saat musim hujan?
I was covering my
I
body
was
with
covering. Mm-mm.
body with blanket.
Blanket. Blanket. Ya, time
Terus
expression-nya boleh
to,
ditambahkan?
kalau to stay warm-nya itu juga, Miss.
Oh iya, bisa. To stay warm. Jadi di mana mau ditaruh stay warm? To stay warm-nya.
Di
Tadi I was covering my body with blanket to stay warm gitu.
ya.
Stay warm last rainy season. Oke, ya. Cukup
Oke.
bagus. Ya, udah paham ya mengenai penggunaannya. Gampang kan Kak ya?
Lumayan,
Lumayan apa nih? Lumayan gampang atau lumayan susah?
lumayan gampang.
Lumayan gampang ya. Oke, sampai sini kira-kira ada pertanyaan lagi nggak?
Aku masih bingung letakin apa ya namanya
Ngeletakin
expression,
verb ing atau ngeletakin apa?
ngeletakin jawabannya tadi kan aku bingung mau di pertama atau yang terakhir.
Oh, bisa yang mana aja, bisa yang di depan atau bisa di belakang. Jadi gitu Pak. Jadi bisa ditambahin past tense ya, pakai kalau misalnya pakai when terus mau ditambahin past tense juga bisa, simple past tense ya. Digabung.
Oke. Itu aja sih.
Itu aja ya. Jadi harus setelah kata was sama to be-nya itu harus ada kata ing-nya, verb ing-nya. Oke. Oke, kalau emang nggak ada pertanyaan lagi, kita selesaikan sampai sini ya, Kak ya.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, thank you so much and have a great day ya.
Thank you.
Good night.